Did you know your credit score could affect everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment? Let's break down what a credit score is and how you can boost it fast. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that shows how reliable you are when it comes to paying back money. It ranges from 300 to 850, with higher scores being better. A good credit score means you're seen as a low-risk borrower, while a low score can make lenders think twice. Here's a quick look at what the numbers mean: 300 to 579, poor 580 to 669, fair 670 to 739, good 740 to 799, very good 800 to 850, excellent. So, if your score is above 670, you're on the right track. But don't worry if it's lower. We'll show you how to boost your score in no time. Tip 1. Pay your bills on time. The most important part of your credit score is payment history, making up about 35% of the total score. If you pay your bills late, it can hurt your score. Even paying just a day late can leave a negative mark. So, set reminders or automate payments to ensure you're never late. Tip 2. Keep your credit card balances low. This is called credit utilization, and it makes up about 30% of your score. The rule of thumb is to keep your credit usage below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your credit card limit is $1,000, try not to use more than $300 at any given time. Keeping your balances low shows lenders you're responsible with your credit. Tip 3. Check your credit report regularly. Did you know there could be errors on your credit report that are hurting your score? You can get a free credit report from Annual Credit Report. Come once a year. Look out for any mistakes, like incorrect accounts or payments marked as late. If you spot an error, contact the credit bureau to fix it right away. Tip 4. Don't close old accounts. The age of your credit accounts makes up about 15% of your score. The longer you've had credit, the better. Even if you're not using an old credit card, keep the account open if it has no annual fee. Closing old accounts can actually lower your credit score, so it's best to leave them open. Tip 5. Limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for a new credit card or loan, it triggers a hard inquiry on your credit report. Too many hard inquiries in a short time can lower your score. Only apply for new credit when it's necessary, and space out your applications. Let's quickly recap. Pay your bills on time. Keep credit card balances low. Check your credit report for errors. Don't close old accounts. Limit new credit applications. Improving your credit score takes time, but with these simple steps, you'll start seeing changes in just a few months. Remember, a higher credit score means better interest rates, more loan options, and less stress. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next tips on how to manage your money better.